Hello everyone, I'm your host Akanksha and you are watching TLV Academy. Imagine you are running a factory and energy bills are rising. You have bought new machines, trained your staff and launched energy saving projects. But when top management asks, have we really improved our energy performance? You struggle to prove it. This is exactly the problem ISO 50006 addresses. With a brand new 2023 edition, the guidance has become sharper, smarter, and more practical. In this video, we will explore what has changed in ISO 50006 2023 compared to the 2014 edition and why these updates matter for every organization serious about energy sustainability and cost savings. Now, quick recap of ISO 50006 2014. The 2014 edition of ISO 50006 was the first standard to explain how to use energy performance indicators and energy baselines to measure energy performance improvements. It was designed to support ISO 50001-2011, helping organizations evaluate whether energy-saving actions were truly effective. However, as industries evolved, data became more complex, and ISO 50001 itself was revised in 2018. The old version no longer fully met modern needs. Why the 2023 update was needed? The world of energy has changed dramatically in the last decade. Organizations now face net zero targets, stricter reporting requirements, and growing sustainability expectations. Technology has also transformed energy data collection with smart meters, IoT devices, and big data analytics. Most importantly, the 2018 revision of ISO 50001 introduced new approaches like risk-based thinking and continual improvement, which were not fully reflected in the 2014 guidance. This is why ISO 50006 2023 was released, to align with today's energy challenges and provide a more reliable and flexible method to evaluate energy performance. Now let's discuss about the updates. Update 1. Alignment with ISO 50001-2018. One of the biggest updates is the complete alignment with ISO 50001-2018. The earlier version of ISO 50006 was tied to ISO 50001-2011, which is now outdated. The new edition ensures that definitions, processes, and terminology are consistent with the 2018 version of ISO 50001. This alignment makes audits smoother, removes confusion, and ensures both standards speak the same language. For companies already certified to ISO 50001, 2018, this makes integrating ISO 50006 much easier. Update 2. Stronger guidance on relevant variables. The 2023 edition provides clearer methods to identify relevant variables and static factors. Relevant variables are those that change and impact energy use, such as production levels, weather, or occupancy. Static factors are conditions that remain stable, such as the design of a building or fixed equipment. While the 2014 edition mentioned this concept, the new version gives organizations a structured way to distinguish and apply these variables. This makes ENPIs and ENBs much more accurate and reliable over time. Update 3. Expanded normalization techniques. In ISO 50006-2014, normalization methods were often simple, leaving room for error when multiple factors affected energy performance. ISO 50006-2023 expands this by introducing advanced statistical and multivariate techniques, along with industry-specific examples. For instance, a manufacturing plant may normalize energy use not just by production levels, but also by operating hours and temperature. This ensures energy data is realistic, fair, and credible for internal decisions and external reporting. Update 4. Demonstrating energy performance improvement. Another key update is the clearer framework for proving real improvement. The 2014 edition guided organizations to monitor, but many struggled to demonstrate tangible results. The 2023 edition provides a step-by-step process. Define boundaries, choose the right ENPIs, normalize the data, and then compare against the baseline. This makes it far easier for organizations to show auditors, regulators, and stakeholders that their projects have delivered measurable performance improvements. Update 5. Revised definitions and terminology. The new edition also includes updated definitions. Words like energy performance, baseline, and indicator have been clarified to match the language used in ISO 50001-2018 and other ISO 50000 series standards. This avoids confusion, ensures consistency across audits, and helps organizations interpret the requirements correctly without ambiguity. So now we can say that the key updates in ISO 50006-2023 compared to 2014 are alignment with ISO 50001-2018, stronger guidance on relevant variables, expanded normalization techniques, a clearer framework for proving improvement, and revised definitions. If ISO 50006-2014 gave organizations a compass to navigate energy management, ISO 50006-2023 gives them a GPS, more precise, reliable, and aligned with modern challenges. If you want to stay ahead in energy management, prove your savings, and strengthen your sustainability reporting, ISO 50006-2023 is your essential guide. Don't just say you are improving. Measure it, prove it, and lead the way in responsible energy use. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness. Thanks for watching.